Ngicela ukubuza baba mayelana nesimo sika President uDonald Trump.
Yeah.
Ngifisa ukuthola baba iclarity nje ukuthi ngabe usahamba khona enecebeni lenkosi ngoba ubaba wakwa prophesy ngaye nezinto azozenza mayisesembusweni.
Yeah.
Njengamanje latest I think usanda kuxosha inxusa lase South Africa ubaba Ibrahim Rasool othunywe ukuthi awusihlalela lapha eMelika. Manje as South Africans kusibeka phi lokho? Ngifisa nje ukuthola iclarity baba ukuthi ngabe le ndoda zonke lezi zinto esizenzile eziningi nje since ingenile office kusahamba ngawo yini umkhakha kaNkuluNkulu noma usesukile.
The prophecies esiwatholile asezweni likaNkuluNkulu ama-prophecies aprophethwe abaprofethi abadala bezwi likaNkuluNkulu akade beprofetha about the second coming of Jesus Christ and akade beprofetha about the end of umhlaba. And lo muntu okhuluma ngaye is part of the journey esilidela kwi-rapture and also with second coming of Jesus Christ. What I mean, leli gama lithi Donald lithi leli gama lithi ruler of the world. uPutin konjonga abantu
Vladimir Putin.
Okay, lisho ukuthini leli gama? Angithi lo means president wase Russia ngithi.
Yebo.
Lona USA ngithi. Okay. Konke engifuna ukuthi uyibambe. Upresident wase Ukraine. Uba namagama akhe. Volodymyr. And wonke lamagama lawo mawu3 are within the prophecies in the Bible. Lamagama asho into eyi-1, the rulers of the world. The differences between the 3 people will lead into a third world war. And definitely, SK, when we are sitting here, there is this thing ebizwa kuthiwa i-BRICS, ne?
Yebo.
And it definitely, Putin is part of what? BRICS. And BRICS is against the dollar need.
Yebo.
All right. Definitely, whosoever is against the dollar or against the dollar means war. And this one currently is sitting in a position whereby udinga help in Ukraine. Isn't it so?
Yebo.
And imapha amazwe responda right now ukuzonikeza help. Germany, abo Britain, they respond now to assist these people. And mabezo assista lo bazolwa nalo. And ama differences are there between Donald Trump no Zelensky. Ama differences ababe now. Kade kwenziwa ama negotiation baphambane kwi-bill yama minerals, isn't it so? Mabe phambana kwi-bill yama minerals, definitely lo usay part of the enemy. How many countries are affiliates with BRICS and how many countries are affiliates with NATO? And now it's gonna lead us into a world war. Currently, USA is preparing their own borders. They're building their own borders. Bakanda iborder ngathi bakanda udonga lomuzi. When people abatesta right now, kuthiwa udonga ngendlela lwakhiwa ngayo lwakhiwa ngendlela ukuthi noma ethi ulidubula ngomba impaya abathize alukho movable. And they're spending billions and billions to protect the USA. Okay, let me tell you what is happening right now. I am not saying the man is right, okay? You understand me?
Yeah.
I am not saying the man is what? Is right. No, I'm not saying the man is right. But what I know, it is the part of the prophecies in the Bible. And all these people if you check exactly the meaning and uzokwazi ukuthi these people currently yebona wonke amazwe omhlaba sibheke khona sibheke bona ngqo. Never touch the special nation of God, no matter what. Sizongena eweni noma singena eweni kwathinteka abantu angamele bathinteke. uNkulunkulu uyasivikela isizwe sakhe. Kusezwini likaNkulunkulu, if you don't study the Bible, the preparation of the second coming of Jesus Christ, lithi iBhayibheli uyokwehlela into a special mountain. Bafundi beBhayibheli ikuphi le ndaba? In Jerusalem. Yet we are fighting Israel. The building yet that temple of the King Solomon is okwakhiwa kuphi?
In Jerusalem.
In Jerusalem. Yet we are fighting wrong nation. The preparation of the second coming of Jesus Christ will take place there. The rapture, the rapture, ukushwithwa SK kwabantu zokwenzeka kuphi? In a special city, in a special place, in Jerusalem. Read the Bible carefully. In Israel. Right now, the preparation of the sacrifice of Amaret heifers, in preparation of it building a temple, the special temple, the third temple, Solomon, is okwakhiwa right now. After the finishing of that one, yaprophetwa, it is in the word. Akukho yini ezwini babukwamanda ukuthi the river Euphrates iyoba dried up.
It is in the word.
And akwenzekanga ini right now ukuthi the river Euphrates ibe dried up.
It is dried up.
All right, the preparation of the second coming of Jesus Christ is here. Kuzwakala izigi zokwenzeka kwezinto. Akwenzekile lethwa i-separation of the world. Njengamanje kutholakala ukuthi there is a separation esikhona la in Africa. There is a new ocean that might iveta liqubu kube khona in between to separate us. It's part of the things as within the prophecies as propheted in the word. Ukuthi iSouth Africa ixoshwa amanxusa kuxoshwa yonke into in USA. It's not about South Africa, it's about Britain.